In this video, I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper on Windows 11. So go into a browser and then search for Lively Wallpaper. And then select the one that is by Rox Danister. Scroll down, or you can just look at the download button right here. Click it and it'll scroll down for you. And then select which installer. Just click on the Windows 64-bit installer and then click on open or save it somewhere. And it's going to download now. And now it's going to ask you to select install mode. Just click whichever you want here, then click OK, and then next, and make sure to read this, and then click accept, and then next, and next, and next again, and install. And now it's going to begin installing. And once it's done, it's going to pop up a little icon here. Just click on it and then click on yes. This is going to install this .NET Desktop Runtime app, which is used for this app. So just wait for it to install. And then you're going to see this. So just click finish to launch it. And then it's going to open up. And here it is. So now when you want to just put a live wallpaper, just click on the one that you want. For example, the periodic table. And it's going to load in. And as you can see, it's also interactive. And you can also download other wallpapers from other websites. You can download them and put them into the app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.